that
Okay. Now, 8th student, can you listen to me properly?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Sir, but your video is stuck.
8th how many? Video
No,
start.
sir, it is working properly.
Okay. Anyways, so now let's continue. So we have started a new chapter. Yeah, this is, I think this is the chapter, no? Yes. Is this the chapter? Yes. So this is what we have started. We have just started the chapter mineral and power resources. We have learned what is a mineral. Okay, what is a mineral? Okay, what, how and the availability of mineral and the formation of mineral. Okay, for formation, what all things are needed. Okay, so these three things we have first discussed. Okay, so let's revise it again for 8A and 8B students. You have to listen to me properly here. Okay, so that you both will be equal now after this class. Okay, now, so let's start with what is a mineral. Okay, so what is a mineral? It's a natural substance. It's a natural substance having a definite what? It has a definite chemical composition. So chemical composition, okay, definite chemical composition of a substance that is known as mineral. Clear? That is known as a mineral. Once again I repeat, what is a
Yes,
mineral?
sir, clear.
It's a natural substance having chemical composition that is known as a mineral. Now, minerals are found not everywhere. They are found in certain areas only. It's not like minerals are found everywhere on the earth. Only there are certain places where the minerals are found. Clear? That is also understood. Now the second point that I was saying is about the that was the availability actually. Okay, that was the availability of minerals. Means they are available where? They are not available everywhere, but they are available in certain areas only. That is availability of minerals. Now the third point is about minerals, about the formation. So minerals are formed by different conditions. There is a different conditions for the formation of minerals. Now what is that condition? The condition is they are formed by natural resources. How they are formed? They are formed by the natural resources, but human activities are not involved in the formation of minerals. Clear? So this is the third point. Once again I repeat, what is the third point? In the formation of minerals, only natural process is going on. Natural process. With the help of natural process, the minerals are formed, but human activity is not at all involved in the formation of minerals. So that is a formation. That is the formation of minerals. Okay, done. Now let's say about identification. How we can identify the minerals? How we can identify? Minerals can be identified on the basis of physical properties. Now which are the properties? The physical properties are their color. With the color we can identify the minerals. With their density, with their hardness, okay, whether it is hard or soft. With their hardness we can understand that this is a mineral, and with the chemical property like solubility. Now what do you mean by that, solubility? What do you mean by solubility? Means its dissolvency in water, whether it is dissolved in water or not. So with its dissolvency in water, which we call it as what? Soluble or solubility. Okay, so solubility is also one kind of property to identify the minerals. So actually it's not 3, it's actually 4. So 4 points we have discussed. What is that? Once again Once again I repeat, the first point was about mineral. What is mineral? Understood what is mineral? So it's a substance which has a chemical composition, which we call as mineral. Second is availability of mineral. What is that? It is available only in particular or a particular area, okay, but it is not available everywhere on the earth. Clear? That is second. Third is what? What is the third point? Third point is about the formation of minerals. So minerals is formed with different conditions. Okay, what is the condition? That it is formed by the natural process. Okay, but human activities are not at all involved in the formation of minerals. So that was the third point. Now last but not the least point, last fact. What is the last point? About their identification of minerals. So how they are identified? They are identified with their properties, with a certain properties. Which are the properties? One is color, then one is
Shape,
density, one is
So shape and size.
Color, density, then hardness, then what comes? Chemical properties like the solubility, whether it is dissolved in water or not, that is known as solubility. So these are the properties of minerals. So these are the 4 points we have discussed. Okay, so that is done. Now let's see what are we going to learn in this chapter, as we always see in every chapter. Yes or no? The first is the types of minerals. Okay, second is the distribution of minerals, how the minerals are being distributed, and the third is conservation of minerals. What is that? Conservation, how the minerals are conserved. Understood? How the minerals are conserved. So that is conservation of minerals. And fourth is power resources. Now what are these power resources? How the power resources are formed? What is this power resources? That is the fourth point. And last but not the least, which is that non-conventional sources of energy. That is the last topic of this chapter. So there are how many topics? How many key points are there for the chapter? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Only 5 key points. So this is again a very small chapter. It's not that big. It's not that complicated also. It's easy only, but it has got some details. Okay, it has got some details that we will understand. Okay, yes. So I think now 8A and 8B both are now combined. Now both of them are equal now. Yes? 8A students.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes. So now 8A and 8B.
Yes,
now
sir.
both are equal. Now I think we are on track. We are on track. Now we have given now how many minutes?
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, I want to talk about the question, sir.
What about the?
Sir, means chapter 5 civics judiciary question, sir, you hadn't sent.
Yes, yes. What did I say? I have got the information from 8th students that whichever documents are remaining for me to send, okay, I have got a list of that. Okay, yes. So probably by today, even if it is little late, but I will send it definitely. Okay, is it done? Understood?
Yes, sir. Okay. Yes, sir.
Okay, now let's continue. Now both of them, 8A and 8B, both have to listen now. I think we have got 10 minutes, but this 10 minutes we have to utilize properly. So we have to start our chapter, that is starting from the first, that is types of minerals. Okay, types of minerals. Let's start. This one. Okay, yes. So on basis of composition, we classify minerals as metallic and non-metallic. How the minerals are being classified? As you can already see in your book also, you can see how the minerals have been classified. Yes, how they are classified? They are classified into two, metallic and non-metallic. Now when we talk about metallic, it has also got two subtypes. Which are they? One is ferrous and the second is non-ferrous.
Non-ferrous.
Ferrous metallic and the second is non-ferrous metallic. Okay, yes. So metallic minerals contain metal. This you have already learned in the previous 7th standard also. You might be knowing this. Means the definition of metallic minerals means what? Metallic minerals are the minerals which contain metals. Very simple. And non-metallic minerals means what? The metals which are not containing metals are known as non-metallic minerals. Very simple. Definition is very simple only. Now let's see. The metal is present in raw form, that is, it contains impurities and it needs to be processed in order to yield the pure metal. Now what we need to know about metal? That, okay, let me rub this because this topic is, which topic is going on? Types. So types are two. Once again, let me write in the board so that it can be clear. Metallic and non-metallic. Clear? And metallic means which contains metals, non-metallic means which do not contain metals. Wait a minute. So they are metallic minerals and non-metallic minerals. Now, the metal is present in which form? Raw form. It's a raw metal. Nothing is added in that. It's a raw metal only. Okay, metal is as it is. Its shape, its size, color, everything is same only. Nothing is added into it. That means that is known as raw metal. Okay, so metal is present in raw form, and that means it contains what? It contains impurities. It is not pure metal. Okay, it contains what? It contains impurities and it needs to be processed. There is a process. For what? Processed in order to get a pure metal. So metal means you know that it's not pure, it's impure. So to make it pure metal, you need to have procession. It has to be processed so as to make out a pure metal from that metal. From that raw metal, we have to get a pure metal. For that, we need that to be processed. Clear? Yes or no? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Hello?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So, metals are which kind of substances? They are hard substances. Always remember. How? They are which kind of substance? They are hard substance also, and they conduct, this is very important, they conduct what? They conduct heat and electricity. Okay, it can pass. Okay, so they conduct heat and electricity and have a characteristics of luster and shine. Sometimes it has got luster and sometimes it shines. Yes or no? Yes, that is that's a speciality. The metallic minerals may be ferrous and non-ferrous. That is also we need to consider. Okay. So ferrous minerals like iron ore. Now which are the ferrous? Ferrous.
So that contain iron or little.
Not iron, it's iron. How do you pronounce? Iron, not iron. Okay. Iron man is there. Do you pronounce it Iron Man? No. It's Iron Man, not Iron Man. Okay. So you have to pronounce it proper. Okay. So ferrous minerals like iron ore, then manganese. Please underline that. It is given on page number 25. Yes. Ferrous minerals like iron ore, manganese, chromites contains what? So these are the minerals which contain what? That contain iron. They contain what? IRON, iron. Okay. Then which are the non-ferrous minerals? Non-ferrous minerals does not contain iron. Very simple. Okay. They contain iron. Very simple. And they don't contain iron. Clear? This can be done. Understood? So here we have seen many types, subtypes and all. But subtypes you can have only in metallic minerals. Which are they? Ferrous and non-ferrous. Ferrous means what? Which contains iron, and non-ferrous means which don't contain iron. Metallic means you know which contains metals. Non-metallic means what? Which does not contain metals. Very simple only. It's not that much complicated one. Very simple. Okay. I hope that you understood this much. Now let's say about non-metallic. Non-metallic contains non-metallic minerals means which what? Do not contain metals. Don't contain metals. Very simple. Yes. Now, like limestone, instead they contain impure compounds or mineral fuels. They contain what? They contain impure compounds. Contain impure compounds. What do they contain? Impure compounds, then or mineral fuels, or mineral fuels. For example, what is that? Limestone, mica, coal and petroleum. Limestone, mica, then coal and petroleum. I hope that you are understanding my handwriting.
Yes, sir.
Okay? Yes. Do you want to? Yes, please take the screenshot of this. Fast.
Yes, sir. Taken.
Everyone?
Yes, sir. Done.
Everyone?
Yes, sir. Take on, sir.
So this you have to write down in the new chapter when you start the new chapter in FNB. Clear? Yes. What are we going to learn? That we have already done. So now this is the first topic, types of minerals. So this you have to write it down. You have to make this way only. Make like this way. Make a chart like this or mind map. Okay? This is known as like mind map. This is how you have to write down in fair notebook also. Remember. 8B students listening or not listening? 8B students listening or not listening?
Yes, sir. Listening.
Not only listening, you have to do also. Shall I rub?
Yes, sir. Yes. Yes.
So this is done. Okay, now metallic minerals are generally found in igneous rocks and metamorphic rocks. Okay, now about metallic minerals. Okay, here we have written metallic and non-metallic. No, one point was remaining about metallic that I am writing here. Okay, I think time is up. Okay, only this one point.
Yes,
one
sir.
point. This one point I am writing. This also you have to write down or take screenshot after this. Metallic minerals. After this topic, this one point, you will complete the types of minerals. It was very simple only. Yes. Okay. And underline that that is given in your page number 25. All the blue text is given. No. Everything you have to underline. Okay, underline it. Those are very important.
Okay.
What is called mining, what is called open cast mining. Okay, these things we can continue in the next.
Sir, you have taken attendance.
Sir, your camera has been off and I think so you have left the meeting.
Listen, sorry beta, my phone got switched off. Okay, listen now. I was writing about this, no? Yes? Am I audible? Am I audible?
So your camera is not visible.
Yeah, it will come now. Just give me a minute. Let me write this down. Igneous rocks. Okay. Can you see now?
Yes.
Metamorphic rocks. In plateaus. This is E. Okay. Plateaus. Then non-metallic rocks. Non-metallic, not rocks, minerals are generally found in sedimentary rocks. A better write okay, I have written E. You see, are found in rock formation. Can you see that? Sedimentary rock formation in veins and manifold mountains. Rock formation, plains and young fold mountain. Yes, that's it. Now you can take the screenshot of this. Yes, these are the important points. In this chapter, I don't have this PDF of this important points. Okay, so you can write it down this only. Okay.
Okay,
Yes?
sir.
Can be done. Everyone got
Yes.
8 and 8B both.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Taken.
Okay. Okay. So this is the of till types of minerals, not till types of minerals. We have only done one topic. So this topic's worksheet you have to read the textbook properly and try to solve the worksheet, and then next homework is complete the notes of the previous chapters if you haven't completed. Today I will send the notes. Clear?
Okay.
Done? So that's it. And one more homework. You have to get prepared for the next chapter. That I will not take tomorrow. Probably by day after tomorrow I will take it. Clear? Is it clear? So that might be of, yes, this next chapter, chapter number 4. So that might be of 15 marks. Okay, 15 can be. Okay, yes. We cannot say either it is 10 or 15, but you have to prepare very well. Go through the textbook, worksheet, everything. How was the paper? I asked some of the questions from inside the textbook also. I hope that you have understood that. Yes, means those who have learned properly, they can be knowing. Means I am asking about, I am telling to 8th A, not 8th B. 8th B test I will take tomorrow. Okay, fine. So that's it. Take screenshot. Okay, screenshot. This will combine.
Sir, check.
Yes. What are you saying?
Sir, bye is spam in the chat.
No. What are you saying? I didn't understand anything. Wait, don't leave. Let me take the screenshot.
Phone
Beta.
is
I have not taken
hanging.
the. Whose phone? My phone is also little hanging.
Sir, chat box is hanging. Someone is sending continuously stickers.
Yes, please. Okay, monitor how I can, because here both of the class is there. No problem. If 8th A and 8th B monitors are there, you can write down the names of your classes according to your classes. Yes or no? If anybody is disturbing, 8th A monitor can write the names of 8th A students, names of 8th B students. Simple. But if monitor is there, then only. Okay, beta, done. I have taken the screenshot. Now you all can leave. Okay, bye-bye. That's it. Take care. Have a nice
Bye,
day.
sir.
Complete your notes. And best of luck for your next paper. Do it well.
Thank
Bye.
you. Have a nice day.
And these marks will be added in internal marks, okay? Yeah. Don't take it lightly. It's not that simply I am taking the test. This is serious matter only. I will take
Bye, sir.